keeping your finger on the pulse of the market is vital to maintain the health of your organization. As costs rise and profits are squeezed, you need to anticipate change, improve decision-making, and ensure compliance. Enhance readiness, efficiency, and quality of your manufacturing capabilities with Siemens Operational Excellence for Medical Devices. Adapt your production and logistic capacity to increase performance and empower operational excellence with digital integration. Fuse the physical and digital worlds by leveraging 3D models to configure your factory environment. Simulate parts, processes, and machine setups to virtually test your manufacturing, to optimize processes and ensure you have the flexibility to meet changing capacity needs. Adopt an agile manufacturing and logistics approach to optimize planning and workflows. Continuously analyze performance to gain greater visibility that enables you to adjust production and logistics operations and improve throughput. Assure quality operations by centralizing production data and leveraging IoT technology to seamlessly track and collect all documents required for quality and compliance. Benefit from easy access to key performance indicators and fully traceable data to move towards error-proof processes, paperless manufacturing, and flawless electronic device history records. Update your shop floor with an integrated digital system that enables you to produce high-quality, fully compliant medical devices and empower operational excellence with digital integration.